Today we are going to discuss about Pika. It's a tool that we can use for generating text to video, image to video, and video to video. Before deep dive into the topic, if you are watching my channel first time, please do subscribe to my channel. So let's discuss about the Pika tool. So first feature is text to video. Based on the text that you're going to give, it will automatically create the images dynamically. Okay. And the second one is using images or the your favorite pics or painting or any drawings that will convert into a immersive and moving scenes videos. Okay, that is the second feature. And the last feature they have provided is video to video. So if you want to add anything in the existing video or do you want to change any frame or style in your video, that also you can do using the Picard tool. These are the features they are providing. Let's discuss one by one. This tool puts creative control in your hands. The first one is modify regions. Just select the regions which you want to modify in the existing video or in the video. Based on that, you just have to add the command what you want to modify. It will automatically modify it, this tool. This is really one of the amazing feature that I could say. And the next one is lip sync. So give your characters a voice, type what you want to hear. Based on that, Pika will put your words into their mouth. This is another amazing features that I could say. And the next one is sound effects. Either you can give text prompt what sound you want to hear, pick up automatically generating that. This is really amazing. And the next feature is expand canvas. So you just expand whatever frame length you want. Based on the frame you just select and it will automatically extending the video. This is another amazing feature, really amazing features. And the videos looks like real they, after expanding the frames also. And the next one is extend video length. So take a look at this. It will automatically extend based on the time you just as much as time you want. You just give the time. It will expanding the videos automatically. This is another amazing feature. I could say, if you want to try it out, Pika tools. You just click. I will provide you the link in the description. You just try, sign up with your Gmail account and try it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.